Customer reviews and testimonials can really help you to land more clients. Here's how you can ask for customer reviews and testimonials and get a yes, plus how to use those reviews and testimonials to your advantage. What's the best request for a review you've ever received? I'm sure that you've ordered a product and service before and gotten an email follow-up asking for a review. Well, my first tip is simple but super impactful, and that is that timing is everything. Wait for your customer to show gratitude for your services before you ask for a review. If you offer great services and check in with your customers often, you will receive emails, calls, and texts saying how great you are. That is your time to strike while it is fresh in their mind with an email that includes a link to your Google Business or Yelp account. Keep the email short and sweet. Say something like, "Hi Sarah, thank you for the positive feedback. It is always great to hear that you are happy with our services. I will be sure to pass this along to the team. We would appreciate it if you could copy and paste your feedback into a Google review. This link will take you directly to the review page." Don't forget the link. It's super important to make it as easy as possible for your customers to leave a review. To access your review link on Google, make sure you are logged into your admin account and visit your Google Business listing. From there, click the Get More Reviews button and copy the link. On Yelp, visit your page, click Write a Review, and copy the URL link right from the navigation bar. To make the process of requesting a review easy for yourself, create email or text templates that you can quickly copy and paste. If you use a CRM system, you can store them there. If you don't, just create a document or note on your phone for quick access. My next tip is to offer an incentive. In that same email, you could say something like, "As a thank you, you'll receive a $10 gift card to Starbucks. The crew member cleaning your account will get one too." So not only will the customer receive something for leaving a review, but it also has a positive impact on the person doing the work, which can influence the likelihood that they will leave the review even more. And of course, only send this campaign to customers you know you're in good standing with. You do not want an unhappy customer leaving you a review. If you are offering an incentive, make sure it is something that is easy to deliver electronically or in person to the customer. My third tip is to send out marketing campaigns with the purpose of getting reviews, but be intentional. For example, we've been super successful sending out emails on National Coffee Day. The messaging was, "Leave a review and get a gift card for coffee, our treat." There's a national holiday for literally everything, so you can center your request and incentive around whatever makes sense for you. You could also center it around donation or charity. For example, on Giving Tuesday, you can say that your company is supporting a special cause, and for every review made on Giving Tuesday, you'll be donating X amount to that cause. I'm sure you'll get a handful of reviews doing this. Now moving into testimonials. They're a bit different from reviews because they are more involved and really get into the customer experience with you. We found that the best way to get a testimonial is by asking the customers you have the strongest relationships with. And the request should come from the person who has that relationship. For us, that would most likely be Matt, Greg, or the manager of our support team. They know the customers really well and would be more successful at getting a yes. Your email request could sound something like this. "Hi Sarah, we want to thank you for being one of our premier clients. You've been selected to be featured as an OctoClean success story. Do you have some time to get on the phone with our marketing team, or yourself if you don't have one, to answer some questions about our partnership? From there, get on the phone, Zoom, meet in person, whatever works, and record what they have to say to create a really great testimonial or case study for your website." Positive reviews on Google and Yelp will get you far on their own because they will help you rank better in search. But there are a few other ways you can use testimonials and reviews to your advantage. One way is to post them to your website. If you do a more involved interview or even film a testimonial video, you can then create a really great case study article like this example from our website. You can send these testimonials in your marketing email campaigns as well to show prospects how customers benefit from working with you. You could even post them to social media. You can even share them on physical flyers by using QR codes. Reviews and testimonials can have a big impact on closing the deal. They show that others trust you and that you do great work. Don't sleep on this effective marketing tool. Thanks for making it this far into the video. We have a few ways you can get even more from us. The first is by joining our membership subscription for exclusive content. It's only $4.99 a month. Today, in fact, I'll be filming a tour of our office for members only. The other way is through consulting services. Links for both are in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.